Booby booby, bus. Hi, I am the witch. Let me show you some hat magic. Booby booby, bus. The hat is gone. Was that a nice magic? Let's have more witch fun by making slimy monster. For that you need spooky ingredients. Glue, water, borax, color, mixing bowl, spoon. Add some glue. Then borax powder. Mix, mix, and mix. Add some water to the spooky mixture. Mix, mix, and mix. Adding some blue color. Mix, mix, and mix. Now let's give life to this slime. Booby booby, bus.
Hello everyone, I am the slime monster. Wanna see me dance?
Bye bye, see you soon.
Bye bye, see you soon.
Subscribe.
Like and share the video.